How to enable voice typing in MS Word in Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In Control Panel, click on View by Enlarge Icons and search for Speech Recognition, or simply go to Search Control Panel and search Speech Recognition. Click on it. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Start Speech Recognition. After clicking on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Next. You need to do all this if you have not activated it. Select your microphone type and then click on Next. Again, click on Next and do as the screen says. Read it aloud, then click on Next. Enable or disable document review and then press on Next. In this, choose Use Manual Activation Mode and click on Next. You can view reference sheet as well. If not, click on Next. You can start tutorial or skip tutorial as you want. You'll find this kind of screen on top. Simply click on MS Word and speak. It's gonna dictate everything, and that's how you enable voice typing in MS Word in Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.